You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Alright guys, I'm going to explain one more time. You guys are so freaked out over the word roulette. So, the thing is, it's about chance. So, when we do restaurant roulette, we drive around town, we find a place that serves food, we take a chance. We drive in, we film, see if it's good or not. Nobody's told us about it. Okay? That's restaurant roulette. Now, if you don't understand, you're never going to understand. So let's go to recipe roulette. We're going to be starting that soon. It's where I get a cookbook, I randomly open it, and whatever recipes on that page, I'm going to make. You'll see me pick the recipes. You'll see me open the book, you'll see me point on, we'll do all that. So, once again, you don't understand what roulette is, sorry, but that's restaurant roulette and recipe roulette. Now, let's get to the exciting part. This stuff here, I literally saw this recipe one day ago. Jack Jr. made it. It was phenomenal. I couldn't believe it. You're going to want to make this. Alright? So let's get in close. I'll show you the few ingredients. It's going to blow your mind. Watch carefully. It's going to happen real quick. Lazy Man's ice cream. Vanilla protein. Any protein will work. Watermelon for our flavoring. You can use pineapple, kiwi, any other fruit you want. Peaches, strawberries, whatever. We're using watermelon today. Alright? Get some instant pudding. Heavy whipping cream. That's it. Let's go. Okay, first thing you want to do is blend your watermelon or your fruit. Okay? Send it through a sieve, a screen that'll let you get the seeds out. Put it back in this bowl. Then we're going to also put our cream in next. So let's go to the watermelon right now. Okay guys, Tammy's going to help me out with this. So we took the watermelon, we blended it, we put it through a sieve, and got all the seeds out, and then we put it according to the recipe. So now we're going to add the cream. Alright guys, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of cream in. We're going to do that right now. Okay guys, once again, it's sugar-free vanilla instant pudding powder, okay? So then what we're going to do is put 1 tablespoon of instant pudding powder in each one. 1. Put it in each jar. You should have enough to go in all of them. And then you do a scoop of the protein powder, vanilla. Level scoop in each one. Looks like it's a lot, but it's not. Alright guys, once you got all the ingredients in, go ahead and put the cap on. Nice and tight. Then you're going to take it and you get a little workout. Okay, just to be honest, tell you what we did off camera. Tammy felt like shaking it wasn't quite mixed. So she put one of the hand mixer attachments in and did them all again, okay?
The next day.
Alright, so we froze it overnight and we left it out for about, 15 minutes? Probably, to get a little soft. And there it is. I want to show you what it looks like. And I'm going to try it out right now. Okay, so I'm like really excited, guys, because it's so easy and it's so good. Let's give it a try and see if this one came out the same. Oh. I promise you, this is mind-blowing. Lazy Man ice cream. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next episode.